A very warm welcome to Falcon Excel Academy. My name is Vijay, and in today's tutorial, I am going to teach you exactly how we can calculate percentages easily. Today, I am going to teach you about two methods, and as always, before starting the lecture, I would like to say that if you learn something new from this video, please make sure to like and share it. So let's start today's lecture. As you can see on the screen, I have written some data here, which includes obtained marks, total marks, and then the percentage. I have also provided the percentage here so that I can teach you both methods. So I am deleting this here, and after that, in the first method, you write equals to, then you enter the obtained marks, and then we divide it by the total marks. After that, we multiply it by 100 like this, and as soon as we press enter, the percentage appears here. In the same way, if we drag it downwards, you can see that the percentage has been added here as well. After that, see, we want the percentage sign to appear along with the percentage value. So what do you need to do for this? First, you have to click on this cell. Then after that, you will go to the Home tab, and from the number group, you will click here on percentage. After clicking on percentage, you have to write equals to, and then you have to divide the obtained marks by the total. You do not need to multiply anything. As you can see, we now have the percentage along with the percentage sign. And after that, by clicking here, we can do this from here. Here, decreased decimal means we have 85.5% marks here. And as soon as we click here and drag it downwards, you will see that the percentages are now shown here along with the percentage symbols. So don't you think that this is an incredibly fascinating way to calculate these percentages? So this was my lecture for today, in which I taught you two methods to calculate percentages. I hope you learned something new in today's lecture. If you liked the video, please like it and share it with your friends. We'll meet in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.